Happy Tuesday. Joe, 690 ADV. Thank you for stopping in. Here's another tip for you. Before we get the tip going and everything else, do not forget right now, if you're new, hit the subscribe, thumbs up, make sure you're part of the channel. Any gear needed right up there really helps us out a lot. We sure would appreciate it if you'd use our Amazon links if you need to make any purchases on Amazon. Anyway, today this is not for new riders. This is not for seasoned riders. This is not for intermediate riders. It's for everybody. And I mean everybody who this is for. Everybody needs these in their arsenal. And this is going to be a two-part segment to this. We're actually going to do a test and review of these things. But the things that I'm talking about today are in this wonderful little carry bag that came with it. Came from Vehiclex, I think is the name of it. I can't really pronounce it properly. But they sent me some, motorcycle straps. Not just motorcycle straps, but these will work for just about anything. And these straps right here are absolutely, I cannot tell you, super excited when I got them and unboxed them and looked at them. These are the soft straps for like handlebars and whatever. And I mean, look at the stitching on this thing and the webbing and everything that is on this, top notch. I mean, absolutely top notch. Not only that, these four straps right here, 4,400-pound brake strength. No joke. That's absolutely awesome. And every rider needs a great set of ratchet straps that not only come with its own carry case, but they are totally durable and man, they are smooth. And we're gonna do a review on them as well. But these right here, if you're looking for a great pair of ratchet straps, they're gonna be right up there in our Amazon store, right down there in the description area. But these guys make fantastic stuff. Not only that, they have these nice soft straps that you can actually get in the neon colors so that you can actually see what's going on if you want to be visible when you're using them. And I can tell you right now, these ratchet straps are second to nobody. They come with a 3-year warranty. And I can tell you right now, for the price that they cost, I'm not gonna even do it. I'm gonna try to get us a discount on these things. But every rider needs a great pair of ratchet straps to basically strap these bikes down right here. Make sure they're good and secure when you put them on your trailer or if you put them on your hitch hauler, whatever it is. So having a nice, great pair of ratchet straps that not only, guess what? They have the locking clasps too. Like I said, we're gonna do a review on these things and I can tell you right now, at the price that they are, you cannot go wrong. But everybody should own a pair of great ratchet straps to do their motorcycle with, whether they gotta take it in for repair, if you're going traveling, or if you're just gonna trailer your bike to where you're going. Think about maybe a great pair of ratchet straps to put into your arsenal because you definitely need a set. Hey, I'm Joe, 690 ADV. Don't forget, hit the subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, make sure you're part of it. And if you're looking for a great pair of straps, right down there, man, get you a set today. I'm Joe, 690 out.